finally, it's the sound I don't want to hear. Oh, well, there's the thing, it's a snapper where it's nodding. Fairly decent size. Just smashed the lure. It's that same silvery feather thing that I caught my biggest kingfish on last year off Wanganui. I was been using the baits and giving the bait a go. Oh, yeah, golly, bitch. What have we got here? Again, this is just caught on this little pink rod. It was my daughter's jetty rod when we used to fish for pilchards and shit off the. Caught a lot of fish, this little rod. You can see the leader, but no, I can't. The leader's in. Still not seen any colour. Doesn't want to come to the boat. Could be a cow, right? Oh no, it's a nice snapper. That's a nice snapper. Oh yeah, that's a nice snapper. Yeah, that's a beauty. Oh, that's a beauty. That's a 10-pounder. That's a 10-pounder. Maybe more. Yeah. Oh, nice fish. That's a big one. You're coming home, mate, so there's no point in the drama. Oh yeah, beautiful. It's a beautiful fish. Don't lose it now. This thing's good, but hassle. Look at. Easy. Well hooked. The old Leatherman comes in handy. Now that's a beautiful sized fish. Beautiful. Just on there. Nice fish. I'm really happy with this one, as long as I don't lose it. There we go. That's it. Straight in the basket. Just move it right there. Right. Alright, so I'm hooked up on the net. A small price to pay for a beautiful fish like that. So this is the lure. This little silvery lure, flies have turned up. Silvery lure, this is what I've been catching some big fish on this thing. It does really well. I'll just take the camera off and show it. Not dropping. There she goes. That's a beautiful fish. I'm going to spike it in a minute and put it out of its misery. Put you back on there, Mr. GoPro. So there you have it, a nice Coromandel snapper. It started to rain. It won't be long, there's a blue sky out there, so let's drop this sucker back down again and see if we get a couple more of these bad boys, which should be really good. Makes it all worthwhile. I'll clean him up when I get back, scale him, and it's nice. Sushi section, right, icky time. Into eye. Flap around all you want, mate, or your bed. Right, well, that's made my day. That's a beautiful fish. I'm very, very happy with that. If that's all I catch, I'll be wrapped. But gonna see if we can get a couple more while we're out here. So I'll get back to you once this rain settles down.